a very nice topic, and the name of that topic is rectification of errors. Rectification of errors. The word rectification means correction. Errors का मतलब है mistakes. So rectification of errors means correction of mistakes. Whatever mistakes have been made, those mistakes we are going to rectify, we are going to correct. That is rectification of errors. Now, mistakes कब rectify करना चाहिए? When should I rectify the mistake? तो जब मुझे मालूम पड़ता है कि I have made a mistake, it should be immediately rectified. So errors should be rectified as soon as you find out that there is a mistake. Normally, when do I come to know that there is a mistake? कभी पता चलता है mistake किया है जब हम ट्रायल बैलेंस करने को बैठ जाते हैं. When my trial balance does not tally, at that point of time, I understand that there is a mistake. So I will try to rectify my errors as soon as I know the mistake, and normally I know this when I am preparing my trial balance. So rectification of errors can be done after trial balance. Trial balance बनाया, debit is not equal to credit. I know there is a mistake. I will sit and I will search for the mistake. So rectification can be done after the trial balance. Trial balance बनाने के पहले मुझे पता चलता है कि I have made a mistake. Don't wait till the trial balance is over. Immediately rectify the mistake. So it can be done before trial balance. As soon as you come to know that there is a mistake, it should be rectified. So errors can be rectified after trial balance. Errors can be rectified before trial balance. 2013 year is over. 2014 year has started. Let me assume the calendar year is considered as the financial year. Assume कर रही हूँ मैं. And अभी 4 अप्रैल को मुझे पता चलता है कि 2013 में I have made some mistakes. So there are errors made in 2013. What should I do? I am on 4th April 2014 and there have been errors made in 2013. Question is what? I should rectify it. Its answer is whether I should rectify it related to 2013 or whether they should be rectified now. Errors should be rectified considering 2013 क्योंकि 2013 के गलती को अगर मैंने 2013 में ही उसको चेंज नहीं किया तो 2014 का भी आंसर प्रॉफिट बैलेंस शीट गलत जा सकता है. सो यहां पर 2013 का साल खत्म हो गया है. The year is over and then I am rectifying the error. So errors are happening or rectification is done after preparing final accounts. So rectification can be done after trial balance. Rectification can be done before trial balance. Rectification can be done after final accounts. तीनों rectification possible है. अभी the next question is how am I supposed to rectify the errors? First of all, finding out that you have made a mistake is important. वो कब rectify किया जा रहा है is a secondary issue. So let's see how to rectify these errors. I'll give you a simple example. Example number 1. Car purchased. Debited to furniture. Car purchased debited to furniture is a transaction. ये ट्रांजैक्शन पढ़ने के बाद मुझे मालूम पड़ना चाहिए कि भाई गलती हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Car purchase debited to furniture. Yes, there is a mistake. Now, how do I rectify it? First, read only the transaction. What is the transaction? The transaction is car purchased. Have they told you it has been purchased for cash? No. Have they told you it has been purchased on credit? No. कुछ भी नहीं बोला है, किसी आदमी का नाम नहीं दिया है. It is a cash transaction. कार खरीदा, कार real comes in debit. Cash real goes out credit. So I should pass an entry as car account debit to cash account. Car account debit to cash account is the rightful entry. It is called as the correct entry. Same entry लेकर जाती हूं मैं यहां पर and write the entry as car account debit to cash account. सेम एंट्री मैंने लिखा है, सेम एंट्री मैंने लिखा है, ध्यान दीजिएगा. सेम एंट्री मैंने लिखा है कार अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. अभी व्हाट डू हैव सेड, रीड द सेकंड पार्ट, डेबिटेड टू फर्नीचर. अभी इस एंट्री में से किसी को तो हटाना है एंड आई हैव टू राइट द वर्ड फर्नीचर. क्वेश्चन इज whom I should remove. Read the word debited. It means instead of car I should write furniture. What happens? Furniture account debit to cash account is called as the wrong entry. This entry is wrong. This is what has happened. I need to rectify this. तो क्या करेंगे, ये जो एंट्री गलत है सबसे पहले इसे कैंसल करना चाहिए. In order to cancel any entry in accounts, it can be done by passing another entry. तो ये जो एंट्री पास किया है इसको बराबर उल्टा घुमा दो, so you will get the cancellation entry. तो इस एंट्री को कैंसिल करने के लिए उल्टा घुमा दो. उल्टा घुमा दो मीन्स डेबिट का क्रेडिट कर दो, क्रेडिट का डेबिट कर दो. सो रिवर्स इट, cash account debit to furniture account. This is called as a cancellation entry or it is called as the reverse entry. This is the mistake which I have done. To rectify this mistake, number 1, I should pass a reverse entry. Number 2, I should pass a correct entry. So how many errors how many entries I'm required to pass? I'm required to pass 2 entries. I am required to pass 2 entries. Now which are the 2 entries? This is the first entry, this is the second entry. Assuming I don't want to pass 2 entries. रेक्टिफाई करने के लिए एक तो कैंसिल कर दो, बाद में जो सही है वो एंट्री पास कर दो. 2 एंट्रीज पास करना है, नहीं करना है 2 एंट्रीज मुझे. I want to pass only 1 entry. So what I can do is I will mix both these entries. I will combine these 2 entries. How I can combine it? Take the debit together, take the credit together. So cash account debit, car account debit to furniture account to cash account. This will be called as my combined entry. लेकिन combined entry में cash account 2 बार आता है तो उसको 2 बार नहीं लिखना है. cash account debit है, cash account credit है. Debit and credit is like plus and minus. तो आमने सामने कैंसिल हो जाता है. कैश अकाउंट डेबिट में भी था, कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिट में भी था. सो कैश अकाउंट इज कॉल्ड एज कॉमन. आमने सामने कैंसिल हो जाता है. व्हाट रिमेन्स विथ यू इज कार अकाउंट डेबिट टू फर्नीचर अकाउंट. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रेक्टिफाइड एंट्री. This is called as rectified entry. What is my rectified entry? Car account debit to furniture account is the rectified entry. बस that's it. Rectification हो गया. क्या किया मैंने? सबसे पहले मैंने correct entry पास कर दिया. Correct entry का सहारा लेकर wrong entry पास कर दिया. Wrong entry का reverse कर दिया. Cancel whatever is common कर दिया. And what I got is my rectified entry. 5 steps for rectification. Correct entry, wrong entry, reverse entry, cancel whatever is common, and the 5th one is rectification entry.